2019 Toyota RAV4. In the trunk, there's this. You pull it out. There's this piece right here. It looks like that. And you just push it into that hole right there. Right there it is, that hole. You push, and then you snap this part in. I'm pulling left, and then release, and it goes in. And then it comes out, and you put it in that slot right there. It goes over and under. Same thing over here. It goes over and under. Yeah. Here, I'll put the whole thing in. That's going over and under. Over and under. So that's how you put that in on your 2019 Toyota RAV4. And then I got the turn this stuff upside down so there's no name brands. Yeah, there we go. Got a little soccer ball over there. So that's how there's some umbrellas and umbrella, ice scraper, and chairs, and then a socket set. So, and then I have like a tire air thing underneath that in the bottom. So, but that's how you do that, and then pull out, let go, and it goes back just like so. So that's how you install that. You just pull that way and it comes loose, or you pull that way and it comes loose. Push it in, you pull back, and then let go. That's how you install this. It's really cool. It goes like that into the slot over here, and then opposite down and over. Yeah, there's a little slot here, so it goes up and down and gets stuck right there. Same thing on the other side. Up and in. All right. For 2019, quite the automobile. There it is in all its glory. All right. Select and hold to add a contact. Oh, my phone's paired. I think I just connect this down here. Well, no, I mean to say I think. I know. And then you connect it on your phone. That's cool. Yeah.
They're Gramperoni rolls.
2018 Toyota RAV4. It takes OW20 engine oil. Got it all ready. We're all ready for it. The filter is a TG9972 full synthetic oil. We're all ready. The hood is propped, and we're ready to. That's really hot. The car's been running, but we're ready. So let's get underneath this beast and change some oil. Okay, 14 millimeter. Got the bolt off. That's the oil drain bolt. It's on the back of that. So I just lefty-loosey, it's draining. And then next is the oil. There it is, the oil filter. So to get that off, you where's that? There's a piece around here. Alright, it's a 3/8 inch drive. It's this extension. It goes on that hole that we just looked at. it goes on this right here. So that loosens that up. And we get this out of the way. We put that bolt back on. It's almost done draining. And let me put that back on. And we'll put that back on. It's about done draining. And some hot oil. Oil's good for your skin. Not really. It's really bad for your skin. Bad, bad, bad. And we want to put that on there at 30 foot-pounds. Clean up all this oil that's splashed. Oh, man. It's a lot of oil. I need to tighten that to get my torque wrench here. Make sure there's a 14 millimeter on the end of that. Got oil in my hand. Oil's the good stuff. Yeah, 14. Yep, 14. My finger, I smashed it sometime. I gotta set my torque specs to the right. What's it set at? It's set at 22. That's for my 2010 RAV4. But this goes to 30. So I'm gonna set that here in a minute. Alright. It's set to 30. It's zeroed out on the 30. I can move that over a little bit. Alright, yeah, it's set to 30. Now I just gotta tighten it until it clicks. Okay, 2018 requires this bad boy right here to get the filter off. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Let's get it off.